What sort of clients do you look after?
Oh, right. Business owners, business service type, and entrepreneurs. Interestingly, we help a lot of coaches, authors. Yeah. Business service based. Could be because we all from very similar background. We have a similar mindset. We have a similar business journeys. So when I work with my clients, we're more like a friends. You know, a lot of outsourcing companies, like when you give a task, it's like a task doer, right? You pass on the task. But with us, we'd rather want to be a strategic partner on your journey, because whatever you're facing, we want to understand, and we want to understand your goal as well, and to help you to navigate and go through that process to achieve your goals. And that's our mission and passion for the entire team, every single member of our team. Not just
Excellent.
doing the task. Yeah.
So how long have you been running now?
Right. For this product, or let's say business model, is over a year. And then I've test twist and with the different clients and different, you know, the team members, and then we come up with this star team method. And I found pretty much, you know, many of my clients tell me it's pretty kind of creative way. They always say innovation is a different way to solve business problem, right? And we think the way we come up with is it's innovative, because we provide team support other than just one or two persons. We can, in saying that, we can cover all the skill set, so you don't have to just rely on one or two or find more stuff, you know, to individually to help whatever is happening. We're here, we're a team already, we're in the army already standby. And then very flexible. We want to give you flexible hours to ease the cash flow, depends on the workload. Another thing is that we help you to focus on your genius. We keep reminding you, all right, Alan, don't worry about this, focus on that, you know, you'll be much more efficient, happier, you have more time for your holidays, those kind of things. Yeah, we keep you accountable. Yeah, we help you to, focus on those areas important to you.
Probably something I better be careful here. I'll be talking myself into hiring very quickly. But with the, I'm thinking with the team, where are your teams located? Where do you have?
Philippines, in the Philippines.
In the Philippines?
Yes.
They're pretty much on West Australian time zone, aren't they? Along with
yes, that's right. That's right. Exactly.
So the time frame there is still works fairly well for those of us on the eastern seaboard.
That's right. We haven't found any issue about the times, because we can always figure out. It depends on your preferred times. We can structure your team around your preference, basically. Your skill set requirement, your goals, your time frame, your working styles, you know, different areas. But you don't need to worry about it. Just dump it to me, you know, like I'm the back office manager. That's why I call myself, you know, virtual office liberator. I want to liberate you from all those, you know, back end things, so you can focus on important stuff.
Well, that's probably something that's in the mind of a lot of people. It's like, okay, there's a team sitting there, whether it's in the Philippines or wherever, but the team's not somebody who knows them very well, doesn't know their procedures and what they do. So you're the interface between. So the business, like for me, for instance, I'd come along, spend time with you, show you what's going on. You'd structure that and then train the team. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly. So how it works is I'll be more like your account manager and a strategist. So we catch up periodically, depends on the different packages. And then when we talk about exactly like this, we collaborate. You know, we'll collaborate, understand your goals, and we'll make a plan, strategy plan. Bang, 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 1, 2, 3. What's the priorities? And then I carry forward all these into the team, and you have assigned a PM, project manager, to look after different projects, and we'll have a different expert in the team to carry out, to implement it. So we have a different layers. In saying that you engage with us, it's a whole team there. Yeah. So we're not just like doing the task in, you know, but it's like a whole package like that.
So as far as workflow, you're using systems to have that workflow, you know, from me putting it in somewhere and then somebody taking it out of that and doing the work and then putting it back again?
Right. About the workflow, it really depends on the business, because every business using different, let's say, platform and software, CRM systems. So all those ones will be based on your requirement. If, for example, if you currently use Zoho, you use Asana, or use your Infusionsoft, whatever CRM system you use, we can go with that. And we can, or one page, whatever it is, you know, and we can, based on what you use, or we can recommend something for you to use to, you know, to mind your process.
Right.
Yeah.
So those that haven't got systems, you can advise them on what systems they need in their business or would you find useful. At the same time, you're able to work with what systems they're already running.
Exactly, definitely. Yeah. That they'll be part of our package anyway. When I talk to you, that's what I bring as a value add. Mm.
Excellent. Yeah, because a lot
Yeah.
of entrepreneurs I'm talking to, they're pretty much in startup mode. They haven't really put any systems in place yet.
That's right.
Uh, but, they're keen about what they're doing. They've worked in that field for some time, but now they've decided it's time for them to break out on their own or whatever.
Yeah.
And then they're going, "Oh, where do I go to next?" Because with the biggest issue, when everybody does well in a job, like a plumber, for instance, decides, right, they're going to break out of, instead of working with somebody and start their own business. And then they find they're not only the plumber, they're the cleaner, they're the electrician, they're the bookkeeper, they're the one who pays the
Exactly.
bills. And it's like, when do I get time to plumb?
Exactly. Exactly. So much more attached to it to become a business owner, isn't it? There's a pros and cons.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as a business owners, we should always focus on income generating activities,
Mm.
isn't it? That's our backbones, and then that's how we can really keep our business up and running more profitably. Yeah.